Hey, how are you? How are you doing, my amazing souls? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on your time zone. I'm making this on a morning. That's why I started with good morning, obviously. I welcome you and I welcome you back to this YouTube channel for another financial literacy vlog. My coffee for me, clap for me. I'm doing a good job, right? Please let me know in the comments. Am I doing a good job on these financial literacy videos? Have you checked on my channel? Have you gone to playlists? Checked the financial freedom videos? There are also vlogs, and the vlog no, there are also shorts. The two small ones, and those ones I post like every day. There's one per day, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, please go there, get all the information you need, okay? And then join us in our MMF or shares challenge groups or both so that we invest together, okay? But before more details on that, let me tell you what we're discussing today. In case you're new here, my apologies. My name is Katrina WW for Wajika, the blissful soul. That's me. So let's do this. What are we discussing today? There are these questions people ask a lot. I've gotten this question. What if I'm not in Kenya, or even if I'm in Kenya, can I trade online? Thank you for giving us the brokers that are there in the country. Are there those that have apps that we can work on or work with so that we register with them, do this online? Maybe I'm too busy, I'm not in the country, but I have the documents, I shared what is required. Please check out that video again in that financial freedom playlist. So you have what is required. You just want to know, since I can't go physically, are there those that have apps where I can register for my account, my CDS account, and start trading and trade through that app? Yes, I'm here with good news. Yes, you can be trading online. You can be buying or selling or both of shares and stocks online because we have mobile options, so you have app options, you have web options, and let's get into that. Let me give you some. Okay, so some of the apps that you can use to trade in the Nairobi Securities Exchange include, in no particular order again, but yeah, we'll just start with Daya and Blair. Lord, like I said in the previous video, these people have been here like forever. And yes, they do have an app. Yay! So you can check out Daya and Blair. Oh, we do have HISA, HISA. Now, HISA allows you to not only trade or buy. I avoid trading because people start asking me, we talking Forex? No, we're talking forex, we're talking shares, stocks. So HISA is good because it allows you to do both local and US or global stocks and ETFs, buying of both Kenyan and local. So yeah, you can check that out. We have NCBA also has an app that is called NCBA at mobile. You can check them out. So if you're banking with NCBA, it's even easier for you. We have another one called Dosika. Get Rich. Dosika in Is a Kiswahili word that means get rich. So it's DOSIKA, dosika. Yeah, get rich. We have the AIB Digitrader. This is offered by AIB Axis. Remember AIB Axis? Yeah, so they do have also an app that is called AIB Digitrader. Yeah, most of them do so. And I've seen most people really use them. Those people who want, or they have been talked about a lot. I don't know. Like, disclaimer, I am not working with any of these investment funds or companies. So, yeah. So don't go saying, she's talking about this one more. She's gonna, no, I'm not getting anything. See, party a cabbage. I'm not getting anything from any of these companies. I'm just sharing knowledge. All right. Yeah. So I've seen people talk about AIP and the next one, FIDA. Remember FIDA Investment Bank? They also have FIDA M Trader. So it can be maybe people like me who are sharing info online, perhaps they are working with those companies. So they will tell you when you are registering with maybe AIB Digitrader or FIDA M Trader, use my code this. So yeah. So do your due diligence and find out. Yeah. Find out for yourself how good they are, how much you like or love them, how much you feel they will be easy to work with, and then decide on one. I'm giving you around 8 or 9. So you are going to take your time, research. Mhm. And then you will decide on the one to work with. Okay? You only need one, actually. You only need one to work with to be buying your stocks. And now that I've mentioned stocks, there's another one called My Stocks. Yeah, simply like that, My Stocks. Yeah, you check them out. And I think they are both on Apple and Android Store, App Store. Yeah, so you can check on both of them. I know, some of you are using iPhone 17 Pro Max. So you want to know, can I find them on Apple Store? Okay. Then we also have remember the Kingdom Security Bank? They have their own that is called KSL. Mm, KSL, we have that. It's reminding me of that sweet that is called KSL. But let's not talk food. Yeah, it's early morning. It's early morning. I do this very early in the morning, so I've not had breakfast yet. Maybe that's why I'm thinking of sweets. So yeah, Kingdom Security Bank gives you KSL app that you can use to trade with in the securities exchange. How many have I given you so far? Hmm? Have I finished? We also have another one from the Standard Group, Stanbic Bank. Remember, I told you banks are also in this. Mhm. So we have this one they call SGBS Intra Trader. Or is it in trader? Yeah. SGBS. That's from the Standard Group. So yeah, Stanbic Bank in it. There, I think we have all of them now. We have Dosika, we have Dan Blair, we have NCBA at Mobile. We have AIB Digitrader, we have FIDA M Trader, we have KSL, we have SGBS, we have HISA, we have My Stocks. You have them all, actually. Mm. And yeah, there also might be Safaricom in the M-Pesa app. You let me know. They are there, and if you're using them, if you're okay with using that one, You let me know. Yeah, so in the groups now, we're going to discuss some dividend paying stocks, that we should focus on. Because for me, the plan is to get you long term investments. Okay, so I focus on dividend paying stocks or shares, those that give you dividends. All right. Yeah, so more of that we are doing in the groups. Remember, it's only 500 bob, 500 Kenyan shillings, not US dollars, 500 Kenyan shillings to join the money markets fund or MMF challenge group. And it's only 1,000 to join the shares challenge group. And the challenge is we want by the end of 2026, when we are going to be saying Happy New Year to 2027, we can look at our portfolios. I'll tell you what our portfolio is. We can look at them, and in the money market, we are seeing at least 100,000 Kenyan shillings. Like you guys, don't you want that? Hmm. And then when it comes to shares, the challenge is we are challenging ourselves to have bought shares worth 150,000 by end of 2026. So again, you're looking at your portfolio and you're like, I have shares from several companies, two or three or whatever. However, you decided to go by to distribute your 150,000, but the total is 150,000 Kenyan shillings, and you've gotten some dividends, and you've decided whether you reinvested them or you ate to tell yourself, oh, I'm doing a good job. Good job, good job, good job, good job. So that's it. That's how we're doing it. Come on board. Welcome. If you have not joined us yet, welcome on board. Send your monies, your 500, your 1,000, or both, 1,500, to join both groups. 2+254-791-545897. And then that M-Pesa message, send it to WhatsApp on the same number. Okay? Yeah. Then wait, I'll add you to your respective group or both of them. And we'll be doing this and celebrating as we see them growing and growing and growing and growing and growing. That's the plan. That's what's up. So I'm really happy to have you here. Share this message, this knowledge. Just share with everyone you know and everyone who knows you so that they come on board. We grow together. We leave no one behind. And like the video so that also YouTube pushes it to other people as well. And then tell me which one you think you'll go for. Will you trade using apps, or you're an old soul, you don't want things to do with apps, or you don't want a lot of apps to work with? Let me know. Or you've already started, which one are you using and how is it so far? How are you loving the experience? Is it, or is it? Let us know. Let us know. Let's communicate. Let's engage in the comments section. And then confirm if you have subscribed and you've turned on your notification bell so that you miss no video. You miss none at all. Remember also, when you go to my channel, check under playlist, Financial Freedom has all the videos on this, the money aspect, the wealth growing, everything. It's on that playlist. And watch the others as you like it. It's upon you, okay? I'll be seeing you on the next video. Stay blessed, stay investing. Welcome to the groups, and Happy investing!